Hi everybody. My last working day, I went through and repolished all of the four quadrants of the ceiling with the paint stripper once I found out it removed the black goo better with rubbing as opposed to the scraping. So OCD me needed all four of them to be gleaming. So I went through and did that, as well as tackled the three smaller panels on the front section of the trailer, which I'll show you in a second. They look fabulous. But today, the very last pieces to be stripped are the two corner rounded sections. So I'm giving it a go on a new tool today. It's the same type of grinder attachment that I was using, but instead of having the limited mobility of the grinder, I'm going to try on a power drill so I can hopefully get in and maneuver angle-wise into the curve. So really hope that this works, because then just having those two small corners to do, then we're in great shape, and then the ceiling is officially all stripped and ready to be painted. And I'm really looking forward to showing you how it turns out. Here you can see all the refinement work I did. Got the three sections gleaming, and we're working on just touching up these areas where the wires come through. It needs a little bit of Bondo, and this hole over here actually looks a bit too big for Bondo, so it might potentially need a patch. But today I'm just going to focus on using the new tool to try to strip out these two corners. Keeping our fingers crossed, but the next time you see this, everything will be stripped.